I got asked this question. Can someone see my work experience on LinkedIn, even if it's not shared publicly? I'm going to show you the difference between a public profile and a LinkedIn profile in this video. All right, so I'm sitting in a hotel in Las Vegas, Nevada, and here's my LinkedIn profile. When you go to my contact information and you hit the pencil right here, you can look right here. This is my profile URL. Look where it takes me. It takes me to edit your custom profile, but down below is edit your visibility. And this is how you control what people see when they are not signed into LinkedIn. This is critical. This is the only place you can change what people see, but you can only impact what they see when they are not logged into LinkedIn and they're looking at your LinkedIn profile URL. If I open that up right there and I go to an incognito window and I put that in, I'm going to hit the X because it wants me to log in. You can see, they can see everything. And there's my experience section. However, if I go back to my profile, and if I scroll down here and I say, I don't want them to see my current experience, my past experience. I don't want them to see, I said past experience, turn that off. And if I hit refresh, and then if I go back to that view and I hit refresh, experience is gone. Again, from the top, there's my profile, there's the about, there's my articles, my activity, education, my volunteer, but my work experience is gone. However, remember, this is critical. You can only impact that for people who are not logged into LinkedIn. If I go to another computer, someone who's logged into LinkedIn, but they're not connected to me, hang on, let me go to that computer. Okay, so I'm using this lady named Reva's account. If I go look for Teddy Burriss, she's logged into LinkedIn, but she's not connected to me. If I scroll down, boom, there's the experience section. Again, the change from here is editing visibility for people who are not signed into LinkedIn. So everybody who is logged into LinkedIn, who are first, second, or relevant third level to you, first level they're connected, second level they're not connected but they have a mutual connection. Third level and relevant means that there's some relevance between you and that person. All of those LinkedIn members logged into LinkedIn, despite what I do down here, will be able to see your entire LinkedIn profile. I'm Teddy, your LinkedIn and Sales Navigator strategist, trainer, and coach. I hope this is helpful for you.